Hello and welcome to vbTuesday Academy for another really short video about Excel and its week number function. Pretty much the idea is how to create a week number function and how to work with it. So let's say, imagine that we have today's date, which we can get just by clicking now here. And we see today's date is 26th of November. We can pretty much format it a bit like this, doesn't matter, it's just the outlook, the formula behind is the same, and we can even translate it into a number. It would be 45,256, which is actually the number of days that we have after the 1st of January 1900, with one tiny exception, which is another story that Bill Gates knows about. So let's concentrate on the week num. What we can do is pretty much go like this and say week num, and it says it's the 48th week of the year. And we have a lot of options here. As return type, you see this is which day do you want as first day of the week. So if you are like me and the first day of the week is Monday for you, you can select 2 and it will be 48. Otherwise, if you omit this one, still be 48. Yeah, doesn't matter whether it's Monday or anything else, still returning 48 really. Yeah, because now it's Sunday, and if I was a fan of Monday, yeah, still returning 48. If you want to see quickly what is the difference between these, let's put here C1, and in C1 we'll put almost everything. It's an interesting video. Pretty sure that you're already happy that you are so long with me on this one. Let's continue a bit more. Pressing Ctrl D. Oh, I see. So after this return type, let's mimic the return type. So we have 1 to 11 to 17, 1 to 11, 12, 17. And we see that it's whatever it is always 48 week. We don't need this thing here. Yeah. What will happen if we use system 2? Pretty much only interesting things. Let me use here once more, and I'll put here 21. And yes, we have a different week number, which is because we are using a different system if we pass here a separate one. Yeah, finally we managed to get 21. And the difference between these two systems is that system 1 actually is the week containing 1st January, and system 2 is the week that contains the first Thursday of the year. So this is as per ISO 1886601. And just to make it a bit more interesting, let me show you how to do this in VBA. Control E to see the immediate window here. And now let's imagine I have some kind of function that is needed. So to say
just to test me. And I can say debug print WorksheetFunction.WeekNum. And here I can say now, and as argument I can pass, for example, vbMonday. Let's see what vbMonday would be. vbMonday would be 2. Great. Does it match the same thing here? Actually, yes, it does. vbMonday is 2. What will happen if I put vbTuesday? Would it work at all? No. That's actually the reason why it doesn't work, because vbTuesday equals 3. And if we take a look at the formula in Excel here, we do not have 3, we have some other random stuff. If you want your week to start on Tuesday, you can put vbMonday times 5 plus vbSunday. I'm just curious whether it would work. vbMonday times 5 plus vbSunday. Yeah, this should work. Yeah, works. I'm just running it and it works 48, because this thing here is equal correctly to 11. Just to let you know, these things, vbMonday, for example, is just a fancy way for VBA to say 2. So this is just an enumerate value. Let's go to definition, and these are all our values. Yes, member of VBA, day of the week. So I would say pretty much my favorite thing. Thanks for enjoying. And I really hope you enjoyed this video and you understood just a little bit more about what these vbMondays are doing here and how this actually works. So yeah, thanks for stopping by. Enjoy.